So far we have taken the pulse of your LinkedIn performance and have fixed your first impression on LinkedIn. And by now you must have got a new profile picture looking straight into the camera, a name without prefix and suffix, and a decent headline with right keywords. In these 7 days, we will get you ready to get started in the right way on LinkedIn. And today we will go to the next step, a very small exercise. And once you have done this exercise, post a comment here on the video, done. And let me assure you, this small exercise matters a lot because it will brand your profile. So just go to your profile, and in case you are also getting the blue screen above your picture like this, you're losing an immense opportunity to influence people. This big space here is a real estate in the digital world. You cannot leave it just like that. It is an opportunity for you to flaunt what you do or tell what you might be involved into. And it is called background image. And since it is a background image, so no notification will be sent to your connections when you upload it or delete it. But it can totally change the experience of people when they visit your profile. For example, I can show these gatherings to let people understand that I am indeed a leadership development professional. Or I can tell you about my happening life. Or I can share my speaking gigs and more and more and more gigs. Don't you see, when people come here and watch these images, they can understand much better about me. If you are a school leader of a school with phenomenal infrastructure, why not share that picture? You may also flaunt a picture with an influential person, but only when not many of your peers can do that. As a school leader, putting a picture with president or prime minister is not a very cool thing now, because many people have that photo now. But having one with home minister is indeed effective because rarely your peers got it. To put that picture here, click here in the corner and click on upload photo. And now choose a photo and hit apply. Isn't that look much better now? And in case you want to give it a more professional look, I will recommend you to go to Canva. Make an account and you can create amazing pictures like this or this for free. But always remember, more than 50% of the viewers watch you through mobile. So design it as per mobile too. Now what does that mean? That means when you go on mobile, your profile picture will be seen here in the middle. And in case you're trying to show something in the middle of the background image, it may go missing. So take care for that. So let me put this picture here now as my background image. And the task for today, you already know, by tomorrow before 6 p.m. you must brand your profile by putting in an image like this. And don't forget to come back here and put done in the comments.